Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case it's your first time here, I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for stopping by. Today we'll be making a healthy homemade strawberry jam that's smooth, natural, and it's free from refined sugar. You can easily use this in your baking or for breakfast. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. I have some fresh strawberries over here. I'll go ahead and give it a quick rinse in order to get rid of dust, dirt, or even pesticide. So our strawberries are clean, I'll go ahead and remove the stem. I'll also be cutting it into smaller chunks. So for strawberry jam, you can go ahead and cook it like this, that is in small chunks, but I'm opting out for a smooth jam. So I'll go ahead and transfer it into the blender. I'll be adding little water to it to aid the blending process, then cover and allow to blend properly. So blending the strawberry will actually give the jam that silky texture. It will also help the strawberry to cook faster and absorb flavor evenly. So I'll pour the blended strawberry into my pan. I'll allow it to cook over medium heat. So while that's cooked, I have one little lemon here. I'll go ahead and extract the juice because we need it for our strawberry jam. So this is 10 minutes later of cooking the strawberry. You can decide to scoop out the foaming part or you can leave it. So instead of sugar, I'll go ahead and sweeten it up with honey. Honey isn't just any kind of sweetener, but it's packed with antioxidants. It also has this beautiful taste that complements strawberries. So at this moment, I'll be adding lemon juice, then stir everything together to combine. Lemon juice is actually rich in vitamin C and natural pectin. It also helps to keep the color of our jam bright and thicken it up naturally. So this is after 10 more minutes and our jam has thickened up a little bit, as you can see. One thing you need to know about making strawberry jam is that if you're making use of sugar, it tends to thicken up more and faster. And the more you tend to cook your strawberry jam, the more it thickens up and the more deep the color tends to become. So this is after 5 extra minutes. That's a total of 25 minutes of cooking, and our jam has thickened up to my taste. I just go ahead and take it off from the heat. So while the jam is still hot, I'll be transferring it into this plate. Ensure the jar or plate you want to store your strawberry jam has been sterilized. You can easily do this by cooking the container for about 10 minutes on medium heat. So this is the consistency of our jam. I'll be placing this in the fridge and I will show you all what it looks like tomorrow. So this is after 24 hours and our strawberry jam has thickened up. So this is actually the consistency. So you can use the strawberry jam as a spread on bread or pancake, or you can use it as a filling in cake, donuts, ice creams, or even smoothie. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this healthy strawberry jam recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.